Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the default app your Mac uses to open a specific file type. For example, I have an MP3 file here, and I don't want it to open in Apple Music every time. When it does, it adds the file to my library automatically, which I don't always want. Instead, I'd prefer to open it with another app, like Audacity. Here's how to change the default app. Right-click the file, whether it's on your desktop or inside a folder, then select Get Info. A new window will pop up. Scroll down to the section labeled Open With. You'll see the current default app listed, in this case, Apple Music. Click the drop-down menu and choose the app you'd like to use instead. I'm selecting Audacity. Once you've chosen your preferred app, click the Change All button right below. A message will appear asking if you want to apply this change to all files with the same extension, in this case .mp3. Click Continue, and that's it. From now on, all MP3 files will automatically open with Audacity instead of Apple Music. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.